Welcome to QLTS School's video series on the SQE1 assessment. Today we'll look at a sample multiple choice question on the legal profession.
A potential client has arrived at a solicitor's office with a Serbian-issued birth certificate. She explains that she is from the UK but that her child was born in Serbia and she now wishes to apply for British citizenship on her child's behalf. She asks for someone to prepare, attest, authenticate and certify for use anywhere in the world the birth certificate under the signature and official seal. Which of the following statements best describes the services that the potential client requires? A. The potential client requires the services of a notary. B. The potential client requires the services of a barrister. C. The potential client requires the services of a solicitor. D. The potential client requires the services of a legal executive. E. The potential client requires the services of a legal ombudsman. A is correct. Notaries undertake the following duties: to prepare, attest, authenticate and certify for anywhere in the world deeds and other documents under the signature and official seal of the notary.